My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA second semester subject Logistics and Supply Chain Management. As prescribed by JNTUH and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is: what is containerization in logistics? Containerization in logistics. Containerization is a modern method of transporting goods where products are packed into large, standardized metal containers. These containers can be easily moved between ships, trucks, and trains without unloading the goods. This saves time, reduces damage, and makes transportation cheaper and faster. The containers are usually 20-foot or 40-foot boxes made of steel, which keeps goods safe from weather, theft, and damage. They are sealed at the start of the journey and opened only at the destination. For example, if a company in Mumbai exports textiles to the USA, all the clothes are packed in one container. This container is loaded onto a truck, then a ship, and later onto a train, without opening it in between. Why it's important? Reduces loading-unloading time. Keeps goods safe. Makes international trade simple and efficient. Containerization is the backbone of global trade and logistics, helping products move smoothly worldwide. Next important short question is: 2. Distribution-related issues. Distribution-related issues in logistics. Distribution is the process of delivering goods from manufacturers to customers. If not managed well, it creates many challenges that affect cost, time, and customer satisfaction. Some common issues are: 1. Poor transportation planning. If trucks, trains, or ships are not well planned, deliveries get delayed. 2. High costs. Fuel prices, tolls, and warehouse rent can increase expenses. 3. Inventory problems. Overstocking or understocking leads to losses. 4. Lack of technology. Without tracking systems, it's hard to know where goods are. 5. Demand uncertainty. Sudden changes in customer demand create distribution chaos. 6. Bad road or infrastructure. Poor connectivity slows deliveries, especially in rural areas. For example, if an e-commerce company like Amazon doesn't plan delivery routes properly, customers get late deliveries and may stop ordering. Good planning, modern warehouse, GPS tracking, and strong transport systems are key to solving distribution issues and keeping customers happy. Next important short question is: 3. Right challenges in distribution management. Challenges in distribution management. Distribution management is about getting the right product to the right place at the right time. However, companies face many challenges while managing it effectively. 1. High transportation costs. Rising fuel and toll charges increase delivery costs. 2. Inventory issues. Balancing stock is tough. Too much stock wastes money, and too little stock upsets customers. 3. Poor infrastructure. Bad roads, traffic, and lack of warehouse delay deliveries. 4. Demand fluctuations. Sudden changes in customer needs create planning problems. 5. Technology gaps. Without GPS, tracking systems, or data analysis, planning becomes slow. 6. Competition. Companies must deliver faster and cheaper than competitors. For example, if a food delivery company cannot deliver meals on time due to traffic or poor planning, it loses customers. Solution: companies should use smart technology, proper route planning, and strong networks to manage distribution smoothly. Next important short question is: 4. Differentiate between logistics and supply chain management. Difference between logistics and supply chain management, SCM. Logistics and SCM are closely related but not the same. Logistics focuses on the movement and storage of goods. It ensures that products are delivered to the right place, at the right time, in the right condition. It mainly deals with transportation, warehousing, packaging, and distribution. Example, a courier company like Blue Dart delivering a package from Hyderabad to Delhi is part of logistics. Supply chain management, SCM, is broader. It manages all activities from raw material sourcing to delivering the final product to customers. SCM involves suppliers, manufacturers, warehouse, retailers, and customers, making the whole process more efficient. Example: a smartphone company managing suppliers for chips, screen manufacturers, assembly plants, and delivery partners is SCM. Key difference: logistics is a part of SCM. SCM is like the whole system, while logistics is a part of that system focusing on product movement. Tip to remember: SCM is equal to big picture, logistics is equal to goods movement. Next important short question is 5. Third-party logistics, 3PL, fourth-party logistics, 4PL. Third-party logistics, 3PL, and fourth-party logistics, 4PL. Third-party logistics, 3PL. 3PL means outsourcing logistics activities like transportation, warehousing, packaging, and order delivery to a specialized company. Businesses use 3PL to save time, reduce costs, and focus on core work. Example: a clothing brand hires Blue Dart or Delivery to store and deliver its products instead of managing its own trucks and warehouse. Fourth-party logistics, 4PL. 4PL is a step ahead of 3PL. It manages and controls the entire supply chain for a company, often by coordinating multiple 3PL providers. A 4PL company acts as a single point of contact and focuses more on strategy, technology, and optimization. Example: Accenture provides 4PL services by designing, managing, and monitoring the entire supply chain for big brands. Quick tip: 3PL is equal to task-based help, transport, storage, delivery. 4PL is equal to full control and strategy, plans the whole supply chain. Think 3 is equal to doer, 4 is equal to planner. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Explain the evolution, objectives, components, and functions of logistics management. 1. Evolution. Logistics started with the military to supply troops with weapons and food on time. Later, businesses adopted it to move goods efficiently. In the 1950s, it focused only on transportation. By the 1980s, warehousing, packaging, and inventory were added. Today, logistics is technology-driven, using GPS, tracking apps, and automation to serve customers better. 2 objectives. Right product, right place, right time, ensure goods reach customers quickly. Cost efficiency, reduce expenses in transport and storage. Customer satisfaction, deliver safely and on time. Smooth operations, maintain steady flow of raw materials and finished goods. Competitive advantage, better logistics is equal to happier customers is equal to higher sales. 3 components. 1. Transportation, moving goods via road, rail, air, or ship. 2. Warehousing, storing goods safely before delivery. 3. Inventory management, keeping the right stock levels. 4. Order processing, handling orders quickly. 5. Packaging, protecting goods during transit. 6. Information system, using software for tracking and planning. 4. Functions. Planning, decide best routes, carriers, and storage needs. Procurement, get raw materials on time. Material handling, use forklifts, cranes for safe movement. Distribution. Deliver goods to customers or shops. Reverse logistics, handle returns and damaged goods. Coordination, connect suppliers, manufacturers, and customers smoothly. Example. Think of Amazon. It plans routes, stores items in warehouse, packs them, ships them through delivery partners, and even manages returns. This is logistics management in action. Quick memory tip. Evolution from Army business tech-driven. Objectives, right product, right time, low cost. Components, transport, warehouse, inventory, orders, packaging, IT. Functions, plan, procure, handle, distribute, return, coordinate. Next important long question is: 2. Discuss how companies can gain a competitive advantage through logistics management. How companies gain competitive advantage through logistics management. Logistics management helps companies stand out from competitors by making their product delivery faster, cheaper, and more reliable. In today's world, customers want quick and safe delivery. Companies that plan logistics well can save costs, satisfy customers, and grow profits. Ways companies gain competitive advantage. 1. Faster delivery. Efficient logistics ensures goods reach customers quickly. This increases trust and attracts more buyers. Example, Flipkart's one-day delivery option makes customers choose them over others. 2. Lower costs. By using optimized routes, bulk shipping, and automation, companies reduce transport and storage costs. This helps them offer better prices. Example, Big Bazaar uses centralized warehouse to save money and sell at lower prices. 3. Better customer experience. Accurate order tracking, safe packaging, and on-time delivery create a happy shopping experience. Example, Amazon's tracking system gives customers peace of mind. 4. Efficient inventory management. Keeping the right amount of stock avoids shortages or overstock, saving money and improving service. 5. Global reach. Strong logistics networks allow companies to deliver internationally, expanding their market. Example, Apple uses a global supply chain to sell iPhones worldwide. 6. Reverse logistics. Easy returns build customer trust and loyalty, giving a company an edge over competitors. Why it matters? In today's competitive market, customers don't just buy a product, they buy a service experience. Good logistics makes customers happy, cuts costs, and increases brand reputation, giving companies a big advantage over rivals. Quick memory tip. Fast plus low cost plus happy customers is equal to competitive advantage. Think of Amazon, Flipkart, and Swiggy. They win because of strong logistics, not just good products. Next important long question is: 3. Describe transportation functions, costs, modes of transportation, and network decisions in detail. Transportation functions, costs, modes of transportation, and network decisions. 1. Transportation functions. Transportation is the backbone of logistics. It ensures goods move from suppliers, warehouse customers safely and on time. Its main functions are: movement of goods, deliver products quickly. Warehousing substitute, fast transport reduces the need for large storage. Customer service, quick delivery improves satisfaction. Market expansion, businesses can reach distant markets. Flexibility, different transport options allow cost control. Example, Swiggy uses bikes for quick food delivery, trucks for bulk supplies. 2. Transportation costs. Costs include freight charges, payment to carriers. Fuel costs, expenses for petrol, diesel, or gas. Handling costs, loading, unloading goods. Damage or loss costs, insurance and replacement. Administrative costs, paperwork, permits, tolls. Reducing transport costs increases profit. 3. Modes of transportation. 1. Road, flexible, door-to-door delivery, used by Amazon trucks. 2. Rail, cheap for long distances and heavy goods. 3. Air, fastest but expensive, used for urgent parcels. 4. Water, best for bulk imports, exports, slow but cheap. 5. Pipeline, used for petroleum and gas. 6. Multimodal, using multiple modes, ship plus train plus truck, for efficiency. 4. Network decisions. These are strategies for choosing routes, hubs, and transport modes to save time and money. Route planning, selecting fastest or cheapest paths. Hub selection, placing warehouse close to customers. Mode choice, picking the right mode for cost and speed. Load planning, maximizing truck ship capacity. Example, Flipkart uses central hubs in metro cities to deliver quickly nationwide. Quick memory tip. Functions, move, store less, serve, expand. Costs, freight, fuel, handling, damage, admin. Modes. Road, rail, air, water, pipeline. Network, route plus hub plus mode plus load decisions. Next important long question is 4. Explain the concept of outsourcing in logistics with strategic decisions and the role of 3PL and 4PL. Outsourcing in logistics, strategic decisions, and role of 3PL and 4PL. 1. Concept of outsourcing in logistics. Outsourcing in logistics means hiring outside companies to handle transport, warehousing, and delivery instead of doing it all in-house. This helps businesses focus on core work like production and marketing, while experts handle logistics. Example, a clothing brand outsources delivery to Delivery or Blue Dart instead of building its own transport network. 2. Strategic decisions in outsourcing. When a company decides to outsource logistics, it makes some important choices. What to outsource, transport, warehousing, inventory, or everything. Whom to partner with, selecting reliable logistics providers. Cost versus service quality, balancing expenses, and customer satisfaction. Technology use, choosing providers with tracking and automation. Long-term contracts, building strong relationships with partners for better performance. 3. Role of 3PL, third-party logistics. 3PL companies manage specific logistics activities for a business, such as transport, warehousing, or packaging. They provide expertise, infrastructure, and cost savings. Example, Amazon sellers use 3PL providers to store and deliver their goods. 4. Role of 4PL, fourth-party logistics. 4PL is a step ahead of 3PL. It manages the entire supply chain for a company, coordinating multiple 3PLs, technology, and strategy. 4PL acts as a single point of contact for all logistics needs. Example, a global company like Nike hires a 4PL to manage suppliers, shipping partners, and warehouse worldwide. Quick memory tip. Outsourcing, hire experts for logistics. 3PL handles specific tasks like transport or warehousing. 4PL handles the whole supply chain strategy. Think 3 is equal to task-based help. 4 is equal to full control and planning. Next important long question is 5. Write a detailed note on reverse logistics and cross-docking with examples. Reverse logistics and cross-docking. 1. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics is the process of moving goods back from customers to sellers. It deals with returns, repairs, recycling, or disposal. Instead of sending goods from the company to customers, reverse logistics focuses on product movement in the opposite direction. Importance: builds customer trust with easy returns. Helps recycle or reuse materials, saving costs. Reduces waste, making the company eco-friendly. Example: Amazon's easy return policy. When customers return damaged or unwanted items, Amazon collects them, processes refunds, and resells, repairs, or disposes of them. 2. Cross-docking. Cross-docking is a distribution method where goods are directly transferred from incoming trucks to outgoing trucks with little or no storage in between. How it works: products arrive at a warehouse, are quickly sorted, and immediately loaded onto vehicles for delivery. Importance: reduces storage cost and time. Speeds up delivery. Minimizes inventory holding. Example: Walmart uses cross-docking. Trucks from suppliers deliver products to a distribution center where they are immediately sent out to stores without being stored. Key difference: feature reverse logistics cross-docking. Flow of goods customer-seller-supplier-customer direct. Goal: returns, recycling, repair, faster delivery, less storage. Example: Amazon returns, Walmart supply chain. Quick memory tip: reverse is equal to return, customer sends back. Cross-docking is equal to cross quickly, goods move fast without storage. Both methods help companies save time, money, and improve customer satisfaction. Reverse logistics builds trust, while cross-docking boosts speed.